Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best ice carpet is probably one of the most innovative and practical solutions for keeping your floors clean and protected, especially during those messy winter months when snow, ice, and salt are tracked into your home. Imagine a world where you no longer have to worry about water damage, slippery surfaces, or the constant need to wipe down your entryway. This product aims to provide just that, offering a durable and aesthetically pleasing alternative to traditional mats that often fall short in extreme conditions. It's designed to trap moisture and debris effectively, ensuring your home remains pristine regardless of the weather outside, making it a worthwhile investment for any homeowner seeking convenience and cleanliness. Number 5. Smiry Irregular Triangle Brown Front Door Mat. Keep your home clean and dry with this durable mat. Its absorbent surface and deep grooves effectively trap dirt, mud, and moisture, even in harsh weather. Crafted from high-quality natural rubber, this mat is built for longevity. It withstands all weather conditions and seasonal changes without fading or tearing. The non-slip rubber backing ensures it stays firmly in place, protecting your floors and preventing slips. Its low-profile design allows for smooth door operation without tripping hazards. Maintaining this mat is a breeze. Simply sweep, vacuum, or hose it down for a quick clean. For a deeper clean, it's machine washable and can be air-dried or tumble-dried. With its classic design, this mat is perfect for any doorway, whether indoors or outdoors. It's an ideal choice for keeping your home tidy and as a thoughtful gift. What we like? This one is great for trapping dirt and moisture, keeping your home clean. Its non-slip backing ensures safety, and it's super easy to clean. If you have a busy household with lots of foot traffic, or if you live in an area with frequent rain or snow, you should consider this. What people say. The ice carpet is a game changer for winter driving. It provides excellent traction on icy surfaces. The carpet is durable and easy to clean. Number 4. Yarrdfir Coco Coir Liner 16 by 120 inch. Introducing the Yarrdfir Coco Coir Liner, a natural and sustainable choice for your home and garden. It's crafted from coconut fiber, offering an eco-friendly solution. This liner is made from natural coconut fiber, ensuring it's healthy for your plants and pets. It's a great way to add a touch of nature to your space. Its versatility makes it perfect for various uses. You can use it as a garden decoration, a comfortable pet pad, a reptile carpet, or a general-purpose mat. Measuring 16 by 120 inches, it provides ample coverage for your needs. This generous size ensures you have plenty of material to work with. Despite its strength, it's surprisingly lightweight and breathable. This makes it easy to handle, move, and install wherever you need it. Whether in your garden, on your patio, or balcony, it fits right in. Its adaptable nature makes it suitable for a wide range of indoor and outdoor settings. What we like? This option is an eco-friendly choice made from natural coconut fiber. It's incredibly versatile, serving as a garden decoration, pet pad, or reptile carpet. If you're looking for a sustainable and adaptable mat for your garden, planters, or pet enclosures, this is the one for you. What people say. The ice carpet is a game changer for winter driving, providing excellent traction on icy surfaces. Its unique design allows for easy deployment and removal, making it convenient to use when needed. The durable material ensures long-lasting performance, even in harsh weather conditions. Number 3. HeatTrak Heated Snow Melting Mats. Tired of shoveling snow and de-icing your walkways? Introducing a revolutionary way to keep your entrances clear all winter long. Say goodbye to the hassle and hello to effortless snow and ice melting. Our durable and corrosion-resistant mats are engineered to withstand the harshest winter conditions. You can leave them out all season, knowing they're built to perform. Installation is a breeze, requiring minimal effort. Spend less time on snow removal and more time enjoying the winter season. Melt up to 2 inches of snow per hour with our energy-efficient design. It uses significantly less power than traditional systems, saving you money and time. The included outdoor-rated power unit features a 6-foot cord for safe and convenient connection. It allows you to connect multiple mats, ensuring comprehensive coverage. We stand by the quality of our North American-made products. Enjoy peace of mind with our 2-year manufacturer's warranty. What we like? This mat offers a fantastic solution for winter. It melts snow and ice, keeping your entrances clear and safe. If you live in a snowy climate and want to avoid shoveling or salting, this heated mat is a must-have for convenience and safety. What people say. The ice carpet is a game-changer for winter driving, providing excellent traction on icy surfaces. Its unique design allows for easy installation and removal, making it a convenient solution for temporary road conditions. The durable material ensures long-lasting performance, even in extreme cold temperatures. Number 2. Instabind DIY Carpet Binding Tape, Ice. Transform your carpets and rugs with ease. This binding tape provides a simple, professional finish for any edge. It's designed for a straightforward DIY installation. Secure your carpet edges without the need for professional help. Our binding tape applies easily with minimal tools, making it perfect for any DIY project. Just add hot melt glue to get started. Choose from a wide array of vibrant colors to perfectly match your decor. It's ideal for repairing oriental rugs, finishing runners, or creating custom rugs with a polished look. This binding tape acts as a strong protector for your carpet edges. It secures loose ends and ensures long-lasting durability for all your flooring projects. Enjoy reinforced edges that stand the test of time. Secure loose carpet ends and create firm, long-lasting edges. It works seamlessly with your flooring to protect rug edges and provide a durable finish. A touch of hot melt glue is all you need. Experience the quality of American-made craftsmanship. This binding offers a premium synthetic serge-style look without visible stitching. It reinforces edges for superior durability and protection. What we like. This product is perfect for DIY enthusiasts looking to finish their own rugs. It provides durable edge protection and comes in many colors to match any decor. If you're looking to repair old rugs, finish custom creations, or simply give your carpets a polished look without professional help, this is your go-to. What people say. The ice carpet is a great product that works well. It is easy to use and set up. The ice carpet is a durable and long-lasting product. Number 1. BIRDROCK Home 4PC Rubber Drainage Utility Mat. This set includes 4 interlocking rubber tiles that can be easily arranged to fit any space. The drainage holes prevent water and debris buildup, keeping your floors clean and dry. The textured surface and thick rubber construction provide excellent grip, making them slip-resistant even in wet environments. This is ideal for high-traffic areas where safety is key. Crafted from high-quality rubber, these mats are designed for long-lasting use in both indoor and outdoor settings. They withstand heavy foot traffic without wearing down, offering superior durability. Whether used for bartending, as a boat mat, or for outdoor patios, these mats offer versatile functionality. They are perfect for reducing fatigue during long hours of standing while keeping your space clean. Each individual tile measures 20W x 24L x 0.5H. When combined, the 4-piece set covers a generous surface area, providing versatile floor coverage for various spaces. What we like. This set of interlocking tiles is designed for high-traffic, wet areas. The drainage system keeps floors dry, and the anti-slip surface ensures safety. If you need a robust flooring solution for kitchens, patios, pools, or industrial settings where water and spills are common, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The ice carpet is a game-changer for winter outdoor activities, providing a safe and stable surface even on icy terrain. Its unique textured design offers excellent grip, preventing slips and falls, making it ideal for families with children or elderly individuals. The durable material ensures long-lasting use, withstanding harsh weather conditions and heavy foot traffic without wear and tear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.